Good morning, welcome to my channel. My name is Angela and I'm a fourth year business student at McGill University. This weekend it's actually Canadian Thanksgiving, so I'm going to be heading home for quite a while because it is reading week right afterwards. But since I only have classes from Mondays to Wednesdays, I booked my train ticket for today, which is Thursday, and it leaves at around 1:30. This morning I just need to finish packing my suitcase. I'm not bringing too much home because I have clothes back home that I can wear for the week, so I'm only packing a few things, and then I'm going to make some lunch and hopefully use up all of the rest of my fresh groceries so that they don't go bad while I'm gone. But yeah, I'll take you along with me and vlog whatever I can this weekend. I just made myself some fried rice. It's like 90% tofu because I had to finish the rest of the tofu that I had left over. But I'm just gonna enjoy this while probably catching up on my Spanish that I've been trying to learn. So I just got to my sister's place in Toronto. We're just gonna eat dinner here and then go home. It is now Friday, and last night after we got back home, we just watched a bunch of episodes of Love on the Spectrum with my family. It's such a wholesome show, I love it. But today I have 2 doctor's appointments that I need to get to. I need to buy a dress because I have a birthday party tomorrow for one of my best friends, and I need to find like a nice formal-ish dress for that. I have a couple options here, but I want to see what is at the mall, so I might go to the mall later today, but I'll take you along with me, so let's head out. So I just finished my first doctor's appointment. I always talk to my doctor for so freaking long because we're like best friends. He just like tells me about his life in Hong Kong and I tell him about university life. Anyways, I'm finished with that, so I'm gonna go home. I need to like chug apparently a liter of water before my next appointment. So I'm gonna go chug some water at home. out to my second appointment. Just got back home, so I'm gonna eat lunch because I totally forgot I haven't eaten all day. And then I'm probably gonna go to the mall, so let's eat. Now Saturday, and we are going to head out for lunch now. Got downtown to my sister's place here. I'm gonna be crashing here for the night because it's my friend Ashley's birthday today and she's having a birthday dinner downtown, so I figured I might as well just crash here. I'm just gonna get ready, get changed, and I'm gonna head out to the restaurant soon. I just got back to my sister's place. It's super late now, so I'm gonna head to bed. But basically we went to Tironi Adelaide and we had a really nice dinner there. And then we went to Big Trouble after, and we literally stood in line for 2 hours. Once we were like right at the door, they had some kind of like undercover police investigation happening. So we didn't even end up going in, which sucked. But then we all just went and got some dessert. Then everybody head home. So I'm back at my sister's place now. I'm gonna go to bed. So I will see you in the morning. Good morning, it is Sunday today and I am headed out to go meet up with my friend Megan. We're going to Hillsong together this morning. I'm gonna head over to Yorkville and I'm subwaying there, so let's head out. So I just got back to my sister's place and I had lunch with my friend and her boyfriend at Planta, which was this really good vegan place in Yorkville. And yes, I third wheeled them, but it was pretty chill. And now I'm back here. I'm just waiting for my dad to come pick me up because we're all going for dinner in Markham tonight. So It is Thanksgiving Monday, and today I don't really have too many plans. We just have a family Thanksgiving dinner tonight with both of my grandmas from both sides. For now, I just need to get a bunch of work done. I have 2 essays due this week, so I need to really start grinding on those. I'm probably just gonna head over to my backyard now and get some work done because the weather is pretty nice outside. It's pretty late now, and I've just been working on my essay. I still have a little bit more to go before I'm done with this one, and then I have to start with my other one as well. But it's pretty late, so I'm gonna close out the vlog now. Thank you so much for watching my weekend at home for Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more. My next vlog will probably be my reading week vlog, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!